Hello everyone. Today we are here to talk about the basic differences between socialism and communism. First of all, what is socialism and communism? Socialism is an economic system in which the production and distribution of goods are controlled substantially by the government rather than private enterprise, and in which cooperation rather than competition guides economic activity. Now, communism was created by Karl Marx and is a political and economic system in which the major productive resources in a society, such as mines, factories, and farms, are owned by the public or the state, and wealth is divided among citizens equally or according to individual need. Both socialism and communism aim to end social classes and create equality. Communism frequently results in low production, mass poverty, and limited advancement. Most say that communism is an extreme form of socialism, but unlike socialism, communism believes that there should be a totalitarian government made up of one government instead of multiple. Like communism, socialism's main focus is on equality. Workers earn wages they can spend as they choose, while the government, not citizens, owns and operates the means of production. People under a socialist government also wouldn't have to pay for healthcare and education because they are often paid a hefty amount of taxes. Workers receive what they need to produce and survive, but there's no incentive to achieve more, leaving little motivation. Another major difference between the two is the fact that communist countries abolish religion, while socialist countries are free to any religion. Countries that used to practice communism was China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Russia, and North Korea. Russia and Cambodia no longer practice communism, while Vietnam and China are communist politically and capitalist economically. North Korea still continues to be a communist country. No country is really completely socialist, but Canada, Sweden, Norway, France, India, and the United Kingdom are combined with socialism, capitalism, and democracy. Thank you all for listening, and make sure you stay tuned to the next video.